Good morning, students. As you know, in last class, in my previous class, I was explained the introduction of inequalities in a triangle. So there I explained two three property. First, I have explained in a triangle if two sides are unequal. In a triangle, if two sides are unequal, then the side opposite to the greater angle must be longer. Okay, its meaning is that the side opposite to the smaller angle must be shorter. And next I have explained in a triangle if one side is longer than other side, then the angle opposite to the longer side must be greater and the angle opposite to the shorter side must be smaller. Okay, and next very much important point also, one third I have explained. In a triangle, always sum of any two side of the triangle must be strictly greater than third side, otherwise triangle should not possible. Its proofs are not important because this theorem is not, these properties are not in your syllabus. But students, I want to explain some question from this exercise 7.4, but this exercise will not come in the exercise. Okay, so its first question, look what is given the first question. So I will explain some questions. Other question you need to try by yourself, and if you are having doubt you can ask, and but not compulsory. Okay, so that in a right angle triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay, see, so for that I have taken a triangle ABC which is right angle at B. What we need to prove that? We need to prove that this AC is its longest side. ये AC जो है ना AB और BC से greater means it is the longest side. Okay. So look what is given. Angle B is given 90 degree. So by angle sum property of triangle, since angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So can you tell what is the sum of angle A plus angle C? It must be equal to 90 because angle B is 90. So if angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree, so what is angle A? It's meaning angle A must be less than 90. Why less than 90? Because C 0 नहीं हो सकता. C 0 होगा तो triangle possible नहीं होगा. C के some values होगा. So therefore A plus C is equal to 90. Therefore angle A must be strictly smaller than 90 degree. And angle C is also strictly smaller than 90. क्योंकि both का sum 90 है. तो individual these angles must be less than 90 degree. And angle B is 90. So its meaning this implies that angle A is strictly smaller than angle B and angle C is strictly smaller than angle B. Correct now? So according to the property in a triangle, if one angle is smaller than other angle, then the side opposite to the smaller angle must be shorter and the side opposite to the greater angle must be longer. So angle A के opposite में कौन सा side आ रहा है? देखो angle A is here. What is its opposite side? BC. So BC क्या हुआ? BC must be smaller than AC. And angle C, what is its opposite side? AB. देखो angle C के opposite में हुआ AB. AB must be strictly smaller than AC. Correct ना? So BC smaller than AC and AB smaller than AC. So AC, its meaning is AC is the longer than BC and AC is also longer than AB. So therefore AC क्या हुआ? AC is the longest side of the triangle ABC. Hence we prove the first question. So next I will explain the next question, students. Second, what is given in the second question? In the given figure is given, so I will draw the figure and then we will try to solve that question. Question number 2, I will explain some question of this. Okay, so in question number 2, if you look the question number 2, what is given? In one figure is given. In figure, this type of figure is given and its two sides produce कर दिया गया, इसको extend किया गया this way the sides are extended. This point is A and this point is given B and this is given C. Its AB and AC of triangle ABC are extended to the point P and also to the point Q. इधर P और Q तक इसको produce किया गया, extend किया गया respectively. Also, what is one more thing is given? Also, it is given in this question. What is given in the question? It is given angle PBC strictly smaller than angle. What is angle QBC? This angle is strictly smaller is given. Then what we need to prove that? We need to show that AC is strictly greater than AB. And what is given? PBC, this angle. The PBC is smaller than angle QBC. ये QCB होना चाहिए ना, QCB, QCB, QCB is strictly smaller. So what we need to prove that? We need to prove that AC is greater than AB. देखो ये with the help of this relation we need to prove that. तो सबसे पहले हमको AC greater than AB प्रूव करना हो तो क्या प्रूव करना होगा? पहले हमको इनके एंगल्स में रिलेशन समझना होगा according to that. Okay, now think. Can you tell angle PBC क्या होगा? What is angle PBC? एंगल, इसको हम फर्स्ट देखो इनइक्वालिटी लेते हैं, ये फर्स्ट इनइक्वेशन है. एंगल PBC, what is angle PBC? It is an exterior angle for this triangle, right? Now, so by the exterior angle property of triangle, this angle PBC must be equal to angle A. देखो इसके शॉर्ट फॉर्म में एंगल A नोट कर सकते हैं. This is angle ABC. So it can be written angle A plus angle ABC and angle QCB. Angle QCB is equal to क्या होना चाहिए? Angle A. It is also exterior angle, so it is, this must be equal to, sorry, angle PBC हमने नोट किया, angle A plus angle ACB and angle QCB. Look the angle QCB. Angle QCB क्या होगा? It is equal to sum of its opposite interior angle. तो क्या होना चाहिए? Angle A plus angle ABC. Angle A plus angle ABC. Right now? So these values, ये property देखो हमको कहाँ मिला? By exterior angle property. By exterior angle property. So we got this by exterior angle property of triangle. Okay. So now we will put this value in first. इसको हम first में put करते हैं. देखो first में put करते हैं. At the place of angle PBC, what can we write? Angle A plus angle ACB. कितने स्मॉलर है? देखो यहाँ से रखना है. QCB के प्लेस पे हम रखने वाले क्या रखेंगे? एंगल A प्लस एंगल ABC. अभी देखो while solving, जब इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे, in this I have explained that either side of inequality same things को कैंसिल किया जाता है. जैसे हम इक्वल में करते हैं उससे इनइक्वालिटी में कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता है. एंगल A can be cancelled by angle A from both sides. देखो ये हमने कैंसिल कर दिया. So what can you get? You will get that angle ACB smaller than angle ACB is smaller than which angle? Less than angle ABC. So now look in triangle ABC. So look in the triangle ABC. Which angle? Angle ACB is smaller than angle ABC. And if any angle is smaller, its opposite side must be smaller. So by the property, if angle ACB, ये जो angle है इस angle से लेस हुआ, तो ACB के opposite में क्या side हो? AB. So this implies that AB must be smaller than the side opposite to angle B. और B के opposite क्या हुआ? AC. So this is ना, AB must be shorter than AC. Hence we prove the required result. AB is smaller than AC. Correct? Okay. So this we have done. Next, question number 3. You will try by yourself. I will explain question number 4. Okay. Third question you will try by yourself. Okay. So I will explain the question number 4. Okay. So only 4-5 questions. चलो third भी explain कर देते हैं. Because sometime you will get the confusion. So third also I will explain. Question number 3. What is question number 3? Question number 3 is given. This type of figure is given, and in the figure some results are given. There is AB. तो ये इस टाइप से एक फिगर ड्रॉ किया गया है. AB. This point is given O and CD. O, AB. This हो गया A and B. Here is B and this is A. AB, O, C and D. What is given? Angle B is given smaller than angle A. Angle B smaller than angle. तो किस ट्रायंगल की बात हो रही है? In triangle AOB, since angle A given smaller than angle is greater है ना angle B से, angle B smaller than angle A, given angle B smaller than angle A, this is given, angle B smaller than angle A, this part is given. So by inequality in triangle, what can we get? The since angle B smaller, so therefore side opposite to angle B must be shorter. Which side is shorter? OA. किससे short हुआ? किससे smaller हुआ? It is smaller than the side opposite to angle A. Angle A के opposite side क्या हुआ? OB. So we got that first. देखो ये first inequality हमको एक relation find out हो गया. Similarly, next C and D. तो C and D in triangle ODC. So in triangle OCD, since what is given? Angle C is given smaller than angle D. Because angle C is smaller than angle D. So again, by inequality in triangle OCD, what can we get? Angle C smaller, so its opposite side must be shorter. What is OD? Therefore, OD must be smaller than the side opposite to angle D. Which side? OC. ये second find out हुआ. Now what we need to prove that? We need to prove that AD. देखो ये AD smaller than BC. तो AD क्या हो गया? OA plus OD का सम. देखो OA और OD सेम साइड में है जिसको हम ऐड करते हैं. Adding plus first and second. तो when inequalities को ऐड करते हैं, so you need to remember that ये तभी true होगा when small side small में ऐड हो और greater में ऐड हो. Otherwise it will be wrong also. So you need to take care whenever you are going to add two inequalities. Then always small must be added to the small part and greater must be added to the greater part. So what you will get? You will get that OA plus OD should strictly smaller than. किससे होना चाहिए? OB plus OC. OB plus OC. So dear student, OA plus OD. What is OA plus OD? OA plus OD. From figure, what can you write? AD. देखो ये from figure हमको मिल रहा है AD. ये किससे small हुआ? OB plus OC. OB plus OC. Look, OB plus OC. क्या हम कर सकते हैं? BC. करेक्ट ना? ये देखो. Hence, we prove this question number 3 also. Right now? So this is question number 3. Okay. Next, I am going to explain that. Hence, it is proved. Right now, ये prove हो गया. Hence, prove we know the if you want, no problem. Question number 4. Next question, I am going to explain question number 4. Question number 4. Look, what is given question number 4? There is AB and CD. पहले वन फिगर है जिसको हम यहाँ ड्रॉ कर देते हैं. तो जब भी हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं, इवन बुक में क्वेश्चन फिगर दिया रहता है, देन आल्सो यू नीड टू ड्रॉ द फिगर. अदरवाइज इट विल बी नॉट, you will not get the full marks in examination if you will not draw the figure. So remember that. So this type of figure is given. AB and CD are respectively the smallest and longest side. So what is smallest side? AB. देखो ये AB जो है ना, ये दिया गया है smallest side. It is given smallest. And CD is given longest side. CD is given longest. I have written here. AB smallest side and CD is the longest side of a quadrilateral ABCD. This so that angle A greater than angle C and angle B greater than angle D. Okay. तो quadrilateral में AB smallest है. So what is its meaning? Can you tell something? इसका मतलब क्या हो सकता है? Its meaning is what? Its meaning is that AB must be smaller than BC, AB must be smaller than CD, AB must be smaller than AD. Because ये smallest side है, सबसे smaller side है. And CD, what is CD? CD is the longest side. ये जो CD है ना longest side है, मतलब CD must be greater than AD, CD must be greater than BC, and CD must be greater than AB. But what we need to prove that? We need to prove that angle A greater than angle C. ऐसा prove करना है कि जो angle A है ना, ये angle C से greater है. This we need to prove. So to prove this part, तो ये जो हम लोग ने properties देखा है, inequality in a triangle. This is only for triangle, not for the quadrilateral. इसलिए इसको triangle में करना है. अभी angle A और angle C के लिए हम इसको join करेंगे. तो इसके first part के लिए we need to join the line segment AC. ये देखो line segment AC को join करना है. क्या करेंगे? Join the line segment AC. So join AC. Now look in triangle ABC. तो AB and BC में तुमको रिलेशन मालूम है. AB स्मॉलेस्ट साइड है तो BC से क्या होना चाहिए? स्मॉलर. So what can you tell? AB, what can you write? AB must be smaller than BC. Why? Because AB is the smallest side of the quadrilateral ABCD. That's why AB must be smaller than BC. अभी देखो AB smaller than BC हो गया. तो by inequality in a triangle, what can we write? द एंगल अपोजिट टू AB, ये एंगल, इसको हम सब नेम कर देते हैं। देखो यहाँ पे हमने नेम कर लिया एंगल 1 एंड दिस आई हैव रिटन एंगल, इस पार्ट को हमने नोट किया एंगल 2। ओके, सो एंगल 1 ओनली दिस पार्ट, ये देखो ये पार्ट है एंगल 1 एंड दिस पार्ट इज एंगल 2। सो AB अपोजिट एंगल 1, सो व्हाट कैन यू राइट, एंगल 1 स्ट्रिक्टली स्मॉलर देन BC, इसके अपोजिट में क्या हुआ, एंगल 2। सो वी गॉट दिस फर्स्ट इक्वेशन वी गॉट इट राइट ना। सेकंड पार्ट, इन ट्रायंगल, अभी देखो ये सेकंड ट्रायंगल लेते हैं, इन ट्रायंगल ADC, विच ट्रायंगल, ADC, इन ट्रायंगल स्टूडेंट्स ADC, हियर CD और AD में देखो तो CD लॉन्गर होना चाहिए क्योंकि CD इज द ग्रेट लॉन्गेस्ट साइड राइट ना। सो AD, इसका इट्स मीनिंग इज दैट AD मस्ट बी स्मॉलर देन CD। तो ये जो प्रॉपर्टी नोट करते हैं, बाय इनइक्वालिटी इन ट्रायंगल नोट किया जाता है, बाय इनइक्वालिटी in triangle. So AD smaller than CD. We got AD smaller than CD. And if AD smaller than CD हो जाए, तो देखो AD CD से अगर स्मॉल हो जाए, तो अभी देखो यहाँ पे हम क्या नोट कर सकते हैं, what can we write here? Students, again यहाँ पे देखो हम नेम्स करते हैं, इसको हम 3 बोलते हैं और इसको हमने 4 नोट कर लिया. This angle I have taken 4. Okay. So AD, since in a triangle AD smaller than CD, AD के अपोजिट में एंगल 3 हुआ. Therefore, what can we write? Angle 3 must be smaller than which angle? Angle 4 से स्मॉल होना चाहिए. ये देखो एंगल 4 से स्मॉल होगा. और फिर देखो ये हो गया. अभी हमको A एंगल और C एंगल में रिलेशन चाहिए. A क्या है 2 4 और 1 C क्या होगा 1 3. देखो 1 3 एक साइड है, 2 4 वन साइड है. एंड ऑलरेडी ऐड करने का रूल आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड. स्मॉल मस्ट बी एडेड इन स्मॉल, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. तो स्मॉल को स्मॉल में और ग्रेटर को ग्रेटर में ऐड करना है. Adding first and second in equation, what can we get? Angle 1. What can we get? Angle 1 plus angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 3 should strictly smaller than, इससे स्मॉल होना चाहिए, should strictly smaller than angle 2 plus angle 4, right ना? Angle 2 plus angle 4. अभी देखो angle 1 plus angle 3, angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle C. So this we got, therefore angle C, जिसको हम यहाँ पे angle BCD बोल रहे हैं, but book में दिया है angle C क्योंकि ये तो हमने कंस्ट्रक्ट किया, so that can be written angle C also. So if you want, you can write angle C smaller than which angle? Angle A, है ना? Angle C smaller than angle A. So ये जो first part we proved, angle C smaller than angle A, correct ना? Angle C smaller than angle A. So students, this is its first part. Okay, after that its second part. How can we prove its second part? Look it na. So how can we prove its second part? So to solve its second part, we need to make the relation between angle B and angle D. For this part we need to join this line segment BD. हम क्या करेंगे, BD line segment को join करेंगे. तो अभी यहाँ पे हम second part करेंगे, and to solve the second part we need to join BD. तो अभी इसको मैं रफ करता हूँ because I have done this part. So second part के लिए we'll join the line segment BD. हम यहाँ BD line segment को join करेंगे. Which line segment? BD. Join the line segment BD. देखो ये BD line segment को हमने join किया. So join the line segment BD. Correct ना? Okay. So अभी देखो triangle हमारा change हो गया. So in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, what is given? Again देखो AB is the smallest side, AB must be smaller than AD. What can we write? AB smaller than AD, that is already given because AB is the smallest side. So by inequality in triangle, the angle opposite to AB must be smaller than the angle opposite to AD. और फिर से देखो यहाँ पे हम सब नेम करते हैं, जैसे इसको सपोज करो हमने नोट कर लिया 5 and this I have written 6. So what is, you will get the relation, AB smaller है तो इसका opposite angle जो हुआ ना angle 5, angle 5 should less than angle 6. This we got third. Because first second हमने use किया था, so I have written here third. If you want you can write first also, you second part solve करें, no problem at all. Next, in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, what is in triangle BCD? If you look here, so what can we get? We can get that. अभी अगर हम लोग BCD ट्रायंगल की बात करें, ये जो ट्रायंगल है ना, यहाँ पे हम फिर से यहाँ पे एंगल्स नोट करते हैं 7 and I have written 8. So angle B, what is CD is the longest side. So CD कैसा है? Longest side है. CD is the longest side. And if CD is the longest side, so look here, it's meaning CD must be greater than BC also. So CD इसका मतलब ये हुआ BC smaller than CD. तो इसके बारे में हमारे पास कोई रिलेशन नहीं है, but we can make the relation with these two sides. Similarly here these two sides, right now, because given. So BC greater than CD. Why? Because CD longest side of the quadrilateral था. Okay. So if BC is smaller than CD, so what can you tell? The angle opposite to BC, that is angle 7. Angle 7 क्या होना चाहिए? Smaller than the angle opposite to CD side, that is angle 8. तो ये हुआ 4. और फिर हम बोथ को अगर ऐड करते हैं, 3rd plus 4th, adding 3 plus 4, so what can we get? Angle 5 plus angle. फिर से देखो, रिमेंबर रखना है, always less में ऐड हो. Sometimes you are writing different to angle 8 यहाँ हो गया angle, but ऐड करते इसमें याद रखना है small में ऐड होना चाहिए, greater में, otherwise equality will be incorrect. फिर ये correct नहीं होगा. Angle 5 plus angle 7 should strictly smaller than angle 6 plus angle 8. And from figure, देखो ये पार्ट हम कहाँ से नोट करते हैं? From figure. अभी फिगर से अगर देखो तो 5 plus 7 ये है ना, 5 plus 7 means angle D, जिसको हम बुक में क्या दिया? एंगल D smaller than 6 plus 8, angle D smaller than 6 plus 8 means angle B smaller than angle B. This is the its second part. Question number 4, its second part. Okay. So next I will explain question number 5th. Clear? I hope is it clear? So next question number 5. What is question number 5? Look it firstly. Question number 5 from the exercise is given in the figure is given. Here is one triangle is given PQR. This is given a triangle PQR. PQR. Okay. In triangle PQR, PR is greater than PQ. PR is greater than PQ. देखो PR तो फिगर में भी अगर हम चाहें तो इस टाइप से बना सकते हैं, नहीं भी ड्रॉ करें कोई प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू प्रूव थ्योरेटिकली ना, नॉट theoretically. हम theoretically प्रूव करने वाले हैं. So if you want you can make it PQR. What is given? PR. PR is greater than PQ and PS bisects angle QPR. ये जो PS है ना, ये एंगल QPR को बाइसेक्ट करता है. This bisect these angles. Bisect means divides in two equal parts, right? PS bisects angle QPR. Then prove that angle PSR greater than angle PSQ. It is something like question number 2. थोड़ा सा उसी की तरह है, because exterior angle यहाँ भी यूज कर सकते हो. Okay. But now what is given here? You need to think this ना. तो given क्या है? What is given? ये दिया हुआ PR is greater than PQ. इन ट्रायंगल, किस ट्रायंगल में है? इन ट्रायंगल PQR एंड QS इज बाइसेक्टर. तो सबसे पहले हम यूज करते हैं सिंस QS इज द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल QPR. What is? Since QS is the bisector of angle QPR, therefore this divide these two angles in equal part. तो अगर हम चाहें तो यहाँ एंगल 1 और यहाँ नोट कर ले एंगल 2. Its meaning is that angle 1 must be equal to angle 2. We'll get it ना? Angle 1 angle 2 से greater होगा, sorry equal होगा. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 we will get. Okay. And what is? अभी देखो ये जो PR है ना, this is it. उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम एक रिजल्ट फाइंड आउट करते हैं. In triangle PQR, since PQ is given smaller than PR. देखो ये given है, this part is given, correct ना? ये part हमारा already given है. So PQ is smaller than PR. Students, PQ is smaller than PR. If PQ is smaller than PR, then look, what can you tell in this triangle? The angle opposite to the side PQ. ये जो एंगल है ना, एंगल R जिसको हम बोल सकते हैं, एंगल R. Its meaning is that angle R must be angle R. Angle R only you can write because ये single angle R है. If you want you can write PRQ or angle R. Smaller than PR के अपोजिट में देखो क्या हुआ, Q, smaller than angle Q, correct ना? एक one relation we got it, one relation here I got it. Okay, angle R is smaller than angle Q. Afterwards we need to make the relation between these two angle, angle PSR and angle PSQ में हमको देखो रिलेशन बनाना, ये हमको फाइंड आउट हुआ. इफ एंगल R में हम सपोज करो एंगल 2 ऐड कर दें और Q में 1 ऐड कर दें तो कुछ हमको मिल सकता है ना. तो एडिंग angle 1 on both sides. So if you will add, so what you will get, angle R plus angle 1 should is strictly smaller than angle Q plus angle 1. I have explained that if two inequalities are given and same thing are subtracted from both sides, then inequality will remain same. inequality में कोई चेंजिंग नहीं होता, प्लस करो या माइनस करो. चेंज कहाँ पे होता है, जब हम नेगेटिव नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं या फिर नेगेटिव नंबर डिवाइड करते हैं, अदरवाइज देयर विल बी नो एनी चेंजेस, करेक्ट ना. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर I added the angle 1 on both sides, so inequality will remain same. Okay, so now look, what is angle 1 R plus 1. अभी हम देखते हैं R के साथ 1 नहीं, R के साथ 2 होना चाहिए था. तो since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, देखो ये angle 1 angle 2 के इक्वल हम लोग ने यहाँ पे लिया है. If you want you can write anything, या फिर angle 1 angle 2 के इक्वल है. I can put at the place of angle 1 angle 2 रख सकते हैं, बट यहाँ नहीं रखेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे 1 से ही काम हो जाएगा. So put it, angle R plus angle 2 should is strictly smaller than angle Q plus angle 1. Now from exterior angle property of triangle, angle R plus angle 2 must be equal to, किसके इक्वल होना चाहिए, it must be equal to angle PSQ, right ना, by exterior angle property of triangle. So what can we write, angle R plus angle 2 की प्लेस पे हम क्या रख सकते हैं. So this implies, what can we write, angle R plus angle 2, at that place I can write angle PSQ by exterior angle property of triangle should must be strictly smaller than angle Q plus angle 1. किसके इक्वल होगा, ये एंगल है ना exterior angle. So this at the place of that क्या रख सकते हैं, angle PSR. So should less than angle PSR. तो देखो ये this we got right now. Okay, so hence we proved that we require to prove angle PSR greater than angle PSQ. Hence proved, right? So in this way I have explained till 5th. 6th question is given, so that all line segments drawn from a given point on it, if the perpendicular line segment is the shortest. So try this question by yourself, and you can try this question. There are the 1-2 examples are also given. If you want you can try it, and if you want you can ask the doubts, because I have explained so many times. This exercise will not come in the examination for this year. It removed by CBSE. Okay, so thank you. And after, hence in this way we have completed the triangle topic. If you having any doubt related to this chapter, you can ask next day. Okay, and maybe possible after that I will give the time for revision, and next time I will I will take a test of triangle also. Okay, so you need to do the revision of this. Those of you not interested to solve the exercise 7.4, so do the revision. Last time I was said to revise 7.1. Next day you can revise exercise 7.2. Okay, thank you.